How much I've missed you, buddy. So today we're gonna be installing good parts on this car, right?
Yep.
So after a couple hours of working very hard, by hours I mean weeks, we got a built transmission we haven't talked about, and we got an ACT whole system, flywheel, pressure plate, clutch. So as sad as this is, we're going to be removing a couple of eBay parts off of this. Been using eBay parts for flywheel, all that stuff, pressure plate, clutch, none of that. We're making good power, we're making big power soon. So I think it's time to start using higher quality parts. So now we're gonna introduce you to these parts. Unboxing time. Here we have a transmission. So it has a Quaife LSD, full carbon synchros, F-Series final drive, compatibility, and it's brand new, brand spanking new. Thanks to N1 Source Heavy, he opened this up and he double checked everything. It's good, and thanks to the guy who sold it to me. I hope you're watching, so thank you. And here we have everything right here. We have le clutch,
all the goodies,
flywheel, pressure plate. The first time ever I'm spending big bucks on this car, to be honest. No more eBay, huh? We're slowly...
the first time for everything.
We're slowly turning into new people.
Yeah.
Oh. So, as you guys see, we got some nice little bolts going on there, right? You would assume that the pressure plate would be on there. Yeah, man.
She's gone.
She's gone, man. It's all gone.
And the dowels are gone.
She's gone, man.
She did good for the time she did. Done.
Let's see how flat this is.
Yeah, it ain't really flat.
Nope. It's already recording.
Alright, so opening up the flywheel.
We're being so professional right now.
Trying
Not even
to.
phony.
We got gloves on so we don't get it dirty.
Take these tabs out. You don't want to rip them out, you know, man.
Yeah, you can do it. See how it goes. We got 10 horsepower right here.
Each sticker's 5.
Each sticker's 5. We got the Agadagas right there.
We got a foot-pound torque. That's what we're gonna torque it to. So in case anything goes wrong,
We blame Milwaukee.
no, we'll blame ACT because we did everything to spec. A good spec. With red Loctite too. Oh my god.
Douchebag.
So it's gonna get dark in a few because one, I thought the kit brought bolts on the pressure plate. It didn't. My old bolts are stuck on the old flywheel, so I had to go back to the spare motor and grab some pressure plate bolts, and then I went to go to Advance to get some brake cleaner and grease as well for the throwout bearing. And yeah, man, that's where we're at right now. We're gonna torque these down to spec in a bit.
Yeah, but we don't have Jimmy O statuses.
One day we will. Instead of S chassis, we're gonna have Honda chassis.
Except for what?
Instead of S chassis, we're gonna have Honda chassis.
Number 2.
So everything's torqued to spec, right?
Pretty much.
Here we are. My dog Bodie came through too. And we already have that torqued. Next thing you know, clutch goes on. After clutch. After clutch. I mean, first we got this clutch, then pressure plate. The transmission might sit today.
Throw bearing.
Throw bearing on that bullshit. Almost.
Clutch goes the other way.
So we're gonna put it wrong so that we have to take it back out.
We're gonna run it like this too.
Yeah, we're gonna run it like that for a week at least, so we can.
We're gonna turn the car off between shifts.
Yeah. Ooh, big ass head out the wind. Oh yeah! Go flea biscuit. How many Puerto Ricans does it take to open a pressure plate box?
Well, actually one, because it's only me.
Oh, la bolsita. The nuts would have came out. Imagine.
And then you went to go get it.
What's going on, lady?
No, Junior. I think you're wrong. No. They don't go there. No, tampoco. They go here, bro. Look. On those ones.
Esto.
This one. These right here.
¿Cuál es?
Not these three. It's these. This is the down. This is the bolt.
So este.
See?
You Loctite this one?
Never been recording. I'm recording the firewall. Aga Douglas?
Yeah.
Okay, Douglas. Should we Loctite this is a good question.
Sure.
Should we red Loctite or blue Loctite the pressure plate bolts? I think we should blue Loctite because they're off
blue
the
Loctite. Give me a second, let me get it from
Hold on. I'm not even sure what I'm hitting.
No.
So after fucking getting our asses whooped, the fucking transmission, right?
Dun, 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 dun.
10. This shit was horrible. His B series was easier.
Yes.
Way easier
I
than
don't
this.
know why.
This shit was fucking horrible.
Taking it easy was easy as fuck.
This shit was fucking
I guess
horrible.
because of maybe how we were working around, we didn't have enough.
This isn't even the motor for this chassis on top of that too, so. But yeah, we got our asses whooped.
No, this isn't the chassis for this motor.
Yeah.
Oh, we can go home now.
We're fucking shot.